Top of the morning to you. Everybody needs a mastermind. I've been saying that for a little while now. I've been thinking it and believing it for a little while now. And I'm just trying to figure out how to do it. I gotta provide for my family and do all that. But I'm like, who do I start with? And I have started with Kingdom Family Leaders. That is Christian men that have families, that may be in a business, they may be starting a business, they may be an employee. I find that the mastermind mindset fits a little more outside of the realm of the traditional 40-hour work week, get drunk on the weekends model. But it's really that search for meaning. Zig Ziglar says you can get anything you want if you just help enough other people get what they want. The problem is I don't think everybody wants a mastermind. I think they don't realize that they need a mastermind. A lot of my mentors say give people what they want, sell people what they want, give people what they want, but at the same time give them what they need. So if everybody needs a mastermind, how do I do that? And one of the things that I found, one of the mastermind groups I was in, people were not joining it because it was too cheap. They were looking for a higher costing mastermind for that perceived value. The mastermind I was in, I felt there was a caliber of people, individuals in there that had that growth mindset, that abundance mindset of what can be different. I have led free masterminds and low-cost masterminds. The free ones were really a challenge. People would be like half committed, half baked, half in there. In scripture it says, I'd rather have you be hot or cold. This lukewarm stuff just doesn't cut it. And that's where it is for masterminds. But as my story has been growing older, I've been alone. I've looked like the good guy, I've looked busy, I've looked connected and well adjusted, but I've found that I was alone. It's an effort as an adult to not be alone, to be connected, to do what it takes to be transparent, open, reach out and be connected with people. So one of the easy ways to do that is a mastermind. And that's why everybody needs a mastermind. Does it have to be a formal mastermind? Not really. It just has to be a group of people that you know and that know you. And that group of people has to have that permission to say, good job. More importantly, that group of people has to be able to say, that wasn't such a good job. That didn't work. That was a poor choice. Not in a destructive or tearing down way, but in a way that you can listen. I remember when I was a young adult and working at camp. I don't know why, but Chuck was our program director at the camp where I worked. And it's like every time he explained what I was thinking, and even what I wasn't thinking, it made sense. He would explain things to me in such a way that it's like, that's exactly what I'm doing. That's why I'm doing it. That's what I'm thinking. That's the kind of relationship that everyone needs in their life. And a spouse can do that to a certain degree, to a certain level, but I think men need to gather with men and women need to gather with women because God made them each different, and they need to be forming relationships of trust, relationships of encouragement, empowerment, relationships of truth, sharing truth, the good truth in love and the bad truth in love. We call it the pointing out of blind spots. There goes the dog, checking things out, huh? There you go. Say hi, Phaedra. Hi. Say hi. Oh, yes, there's a puppy. I don't like dogs, but our family does, and she's here. That's Phaedra. So being truthful, finding that honest, transparent group of people where you can do it. I've got some handouts. You can click the link down below, and I'll help you get hooked up with those on how to form a mastermind, or take what relationships you have around you, what people you have around you, and ask permission and invite the same question. Ask to be told what the truth is from their perspective. People are smart. People know what's going on. They know your heart, not as well as God does, but they know. And everybody needs a mastermind. Everybody needs a mastermind. Everybody needs a circle of truth, a circle of true seeing, and a safe place where the truth can be, where the truth can abound. So, if you want to hear more about this, subscribe, watch the rest of these videos, and change the world. Bless yourself, expand your territory, serving His kingdom to yield abundance and impact. You be blessed.